Well, there's probably only one winner there.
I'm not saying I'm staying up drinking till 4 a.m.
Two beers in his boxing with the shadow.
Hi, we're Westlife and we're going to play Getting to Know You, where we pick out questions from this box and answer them.
I am a bit scared. This could
Here
get
we
messy.
go. No need to be scared. It's all fun and games.
Who's the best dancer?
Well, there's probably only one winner there. You know, but I'm not going to say. I won't. It'd be wrong for me to say me, so I'll let you say.
I think Shane is the best overall dancer. Nicky's the best.
I'm not one with this lad.
Nicky's the best ballroom dancer.
Nicky's the best ballroom dancer.
I'm the best dancer.
And hip hop, maybe.
And hip hop.
Nicky's got most improved. Who is the laziest? Don't look at me. No.
He's not. Mark used to be the laziest, but
I
he's
used
not.
to be the laziest for...
Who's that then? It's not Mark.
The lazy, well, I would say the laziest in the band.
I think, see, the word lazy...
The latest. You'd be the latest.
He's the most laid back.
Laid back, yeah. I probably am lazy if it's something I don't really want to do.
Right, here we go. This is actually going to turn out really bad, lads. Right, who?
See, this is the thing. It's like we'll ask
Who
a simple
is?
question.
Who's the most vain?
Nicky and Shane.
Why are you looking away, Nicky?
Shinicky.
Nicky's looking away. He's actually looking at a mirror.
Who's the biggest spender?
Oh.
Hey, big spender. I would say.
I don't know.
Answer the question.
I would say Mark, you were.
As in, like, he would buy probably the most expensive couch because it's designed by a certain someone. Or the most expensive painting on the wall.
Digging a hole now.
Or we just move on to this one. Who is the most likely to cry at a rom-com? Definitely me. I am terrible.
Oh no, I think Keegan without a doubt.
Cartoons or anything.
I cry at the opening of a hat.
After a night out where we're all out on the tiles for the evening and have a few drinks, the next day if you put a rom-com in front of us, I'd say we'd all be in absolute convulsions of tears. If you put on, what's the one with Jennifer Aniston and
Marley and Me.
Yeah, if you put on that.
That's not a rom-com, that's a horror. Who's the most likely to say,
Regardless.
don't know who I am?
Oh no, it's in
Don't you know? Sorry, don't you know
That's
who I
definitely
am?
not me, because everybody knows who I am, so. It's over to you three there on that one.
Who's the most likely to stay up all night binge watching a Netflix series? Well, I mean,
I'm on season 5 of Call of Duty.
well, I'll tell you
I
what.
love a bit of Netflix.
Since we've been on tour, right? So when we're on tour, we technically start work at like 5 or 6 o'clock in the evening, and we don't get finished our gigs till like 11, and then I go back to the hotel, and I literally can't get to sleep till about 4 a.m. I'm not saying I'm staying up drinking till 4 a.m. I'm saying that I watch Netflix.
Who's the biggest
till 4 a.m.
flake? What does that mean?
Who's like a flake is like someone you couldn't rely on, I think.
And then let you down, yeah. Nicky doesn't
I don't turn up anything.
Nicky doesn't drink.
Who's got the dirtiest habits? I'm gonna go with Shane.
Well, actually,
I've never seen big bad money. He's just having a dig at me now. Dirtiest habits? I've no dirty habits.
I gave up smoking last year, so I've actually given up the drink.
I'm not gonna talk about you. It didn't ask
It
what.
sounds like I have a
It
disease.
just says who has them. It never said what you did.
He was the best loser on Strictly. No, sorry. That's not right. I didn't mean that in a bad way.
Who's the biggest lightweight?
Lightweight.
Drinking wise. That's why he never turns up.
Two beers in his boxing with the shadow.
He's like the little leprechaun in a fight.
If you ever let him near Cronenberg, forget about it. He's Conor McGregor, bang. We are getting to know us very well.
Well, so hopefully you've got to know us a little bit better. We've been Westlife, and thank you for watching.
By the way, you didn't need to get to know me because you knew who I was.